Hey there, Mary here with Mason Jar Lifestyle. Come pick an order with me. Let's go. As always, we start with a thank you note. This order's for Julie. Thanks, Julie. Back in stock and just in time for those fresh spring salads is our sprouting lid with a stainless steel mesh and plastic built-in stand. These are for wide mouth mason jars. Up next is the jarware aisle. Julie's really got her eyes on some juicing lids here. We've got the plastic jarware juicing lid. She also got the stainless steel juicing lid. This one she got with a stainless steel band to go with it. Up next is a brand new item at the Mason Jar Lifestyle shop. This is our vacuum sealing kit. You can get it with or without the hand pump. It can work with an electric FoodSaver if you've got one of those at home. Comes with a regular and wide mouth sealer and all the connecting pieces that you need. Again, here's the hand pump if you need that as well. Here's Julie's order all picked and ready to go. Looking awesome. Thank you so much for the order, Julie. See you all next time. Bye.